Okay, welcome back. Again, our next activity is called Dictionaries. And dictionary, just kind of like the word denotes, if we think of a traditional dictionary, there's a definition, there's a word, and then a definition. So a dictionary in Python is basically a key and then something that matches with the key. So in our first example, we're going to just look at probably one of the most common ones is how to convert a month with 3 letters, Feb, F-E-B, into February. So we're going to call this month conversion. And then when we want to tell Python that we're going to use a dictionary, we use curly brackets. Is kind of the thing. So I'm going to just go ahead and enter in the months. So you can see that I've created Jan and then January. Now the key part doesn't have to be a string. It can be numbers, it could be a code. Now the only thing it says though is that it has to be unique. So you'll notice here that when I've typed in January twice, it's telling me, hey, you can't do that because those are matching keys. So exciting stuff. Now, if we want to retrieve anything from that, it works the same as retrieving anything else. And we're going to type in month conversions. And so there's a couple of different ways to get things. So we can say month conversion, and then we can use some square brackets. And all of our hints are popping up. Square brackets. And then we could type in, let's do September. Favorite time of the year for teachers, because we just love to be here. Okay, let's clear that and then hit this, and we'll see it retrieves September, and we can put in our birthday month and it will retrieve that. Okay, November. Now there is also another feature, and it's a function this time, and it's called get. So it now lets us use the get function, and we can do the same as we did before. Let me just get rid of that. And let's use a different month just so you don't think I'm making this up. I'm missing a bracket. April. Okay, now I want you to recreate this, the month converter, but I also want you to, again, explore the different kinds of functions that work with dictionaries. So you're going to check this out. You're going to come up with 5 different functions, and then we're going to do one more example. So that the first job, figure out how to use a dictionary, and then get 5 different functions, and just do a quick demonstration again, screen capture into Keynotes. Okay, good luck.